Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G11, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. Now we will start off with setting it up, because without that you most likely won't be able to utilize it. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. So for me that toggle is nowhere visible, so I'm gonna need to quickly add it by tapping on this pencil. And as you can see in here, it's located right at the bottom. So you wanna hold it, drag it over to the top, drop it, and when you go back, you can now see it right here somewhere. So when you see the toggle, now hold it again. This will take you to the settings. So from here, select Wi-Fi hotspot, and you don't need to change much in here. What I recommend changing, what you basically need to do is tap on the hotspot password, either just to check the password if you want to use the one that is generated by default, or just to set up your own. Now I do recommend setting up your own, because this one is hard to remember, hard to type in. So setting your own will obviously be much easier to later on log into. So I'm gonna use something very simple. It does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. Now that can be letters or numbers. I'm just sticking with just numbers, but you're not only restricted to that. From there, click on OK to save it. So that's primarily the only thing that I would recommend changing. Obviously you can change other things in here if you want to, but if you're not sure what they do, I probably would recommend keeping them with the default settings, just because that will ensure that your hotspot will always work whenever you want to utilize it. So anyway, from here you can quickly enable it by toggling on the check mark right here, or afterwards, that was weird, or afterwards, if you want to enable and also disable it, you can do it from here. Now right now it's on, so when I tap on it again, it will turn off. But like I said, you can turn it on from here as well. And once it's on, you can connect to your hotspot and utilize the network. Now keep in mind that the hotspot does use your mobile network. I'm going to quickly also check the Wi-Fi. So if I enable it, it also uses the Wi-Fi antennas as well to broadcast the mobile network. So when your hotspot is enabled, you and whoever else will be utilizing your hotspot, or you're on your phone, all that will be done through your mobile network, because Wi-Fi will be turned off, as you can see. Once you disable your hotspot, Wi-Fi will turn back on. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.